Hello. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to optimize your Google Ads campaigns to achieve a better return on investment, also known as ROI. Step 1. Review keywords. Analyze the performance of your keywords. Remove those that are not delivering results or have a high cost per click without conversions. Also, add negative keywords to avoid showing your ads for irrelevant searches. Step 2. Improve ad quality. Write more relevant and engaging ads to increase your click-through rate, CTR. Use ad extensions to provide additional information and improve your ad visibility in search results. Step 3. Adjust bids. Adjust your bids based on keyword performance and competition. Consider using automated bidding strategies that optimize your bids in real time, maximizing your campaign performance. Step 4. Audience targeting. Refine your targeting to reach more relevant audiences. Use demographic data, interests, and behaviors to more accurately define your target audience. Step 5. Continuous monitoring and adjustments. Regularly review your campaign performance and conduct A/B testing to try different ad variations and identify the most effective ones. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected. By implementing these strategies, you can improve the performance of your Google Ads campaigns and maximize your return on investment, ROI.